Welcome back to List Building 101. Right now, what I want to do is talk about PPV or CPV list building. Another great way to generate hundreds of leads per day is through something called pay-per-view or cost per view advertising. Now, I have a friend who does around 1,000 leads a day. What you can do is you can go to a PPV site like Lead Impact and you can buy cost per view or pay per view advertising. And it's a little different from other sources and other types of advertising in that you're paying per view of your page. You're not paying per click on an ad, or you're not paying on traffic directly to your ad. And it's actually like a pop-up. So what you're doing is you're paying for these ads to pop up on other people's websites, and it's run through software, so it is different than someone, say, going to Google and seeing a pay-per-click ad or seeing a pay-per-click ad on another website. And you can advertise on any URL on the internet as long as the user, meaning the person that's going to see the ad, has the software installed on their computer. And this allows you to bid on different URLs online, and you can even bid on your competitors' URLs. And can you really see how profitable this can be? You can even bid on other people's PPC URLs. So you can actually you can take the URLs of PPC ads that they're actually spending money on to advertise, plug it into Lead Impact, and then be bidding for ad space on those URLs through the PPV or CPV software. And a really good place to go get more information on PPV and CPV is through cpvden.com. And it can really be a nice little lead flow generator that's different from a lot of other lead flow sources. You do need to know that you can generate tons and tons of traffic for a lot less money, but you do need to realize that the traffic won't be nearly as responsive to your offer because they didn't really click on your ad to view it. They were sent there, okay? Because they didn't click to view your ad, it's kind of like this annoying pop-up that they get, okay? It's in their face, but you do need to realize this is 100% legal, and they know they're going to get pop-ups in exchange for using the software or being able to watch the videos that they're using. And it's an agreement they made before downloading the software that they're using on their computer. So instead of charging for this software each month, they get the software free of use, but they do have to see ads. And this is where your ads can get in front of their face. This is where, they'll see your ads. And you can get in front of millions of people for 0.017 cents each time your ad is shown. Now, I hope you realize that's less than a fraction of a penny, okay? And one thing to realize too is don't be surprised if your squeeze page only gets a 1 to 2% response rate with PPV. You might even get less of a response rate. And chances are, even with a low response rate, you will be able to make a profit. I've done it before with a very low response rate. What you need to realize, all that really matters is your return on your investment, not your opt-in rate when you're doing PPV. Because your opt-in rate is always going to be different depending on where your traffic is coming from.